Welcome to our crash course on the rise and fall of Nazi Germany, where we explore Germany's turbulent history during the Nazi regime. In this lecture, we'll examine the social, political, and cultural challenges that shaped Germany in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, leading up to World War II. Germany was unified late in 1871, a factor that greatly influenced its development. This late unification caused rapid, disruptive industrialization. Before World War I, Germany was divided along regional, religious, and social lines, with northern Germany being predominantly Protestant and the south largely Catholic. Many Germans felt greater loyalty to their regions than to the nation, further complicating national unity. One of the most significant divisions was social class. Rapid industrialization created a stark divide between the growing working class and the conservative middle classes. These divisions defined Germany's political landscape as the country struggled with the transition to modern industrial society while holding on to traditional values. This social upheaval fueled the rise of the Social Democratic Party, or SPD, a working-class movement. By 1912, the SPD had become the largest party in the German Reichstag. Initially seen as a threat to the state, the SPD's rise highlighted the deepening polarization within German society. Chancellor Otto von Bismarck, who unified Germany, sought to preserve the monarchy's power. His so-called Kulturkampf was a struggle to limit the influence of the Catholic Church, which, backfired and strengthened the Catholic Centre Party. So his authoritarian approach only created further divisions. Bismarck's efforts to target internal enemies, such as Catholics and Social Democrats, through repressive laws only intensified opposition and deepened political divisions. His forced resignation in 1890 ended his direct control over German politics, but the divisions he deepened persisted. Under Kaiser Wilhelm II, who reigned from 1888 to 1918, Germany underwent significant transformations, becoming more militaristic and nationalistic. He pursued an aggressive foreign policy, seeking to assert Germany's dominance in Europe and beyond, often through a strategy known as world politics, in German Weltpolitik. By the early 20th century, Germany was a deeply divided nation, grappling with class, religious, and regional conflicts, and struggling to create a coherent national identity. In our upcoming lecture, we will look at Germany during World War I. Thank you for listening.